Our data on its own, just being produced, is not, of course, useful. It's how all these customers translate it into value to solve real problems that is actually where the rubber hits the road.
Planet's data has completely changed how we have done our work. There are all kinds of things that happen and then countries go and try to hide them or cover them up. And so getting a picture 3 or 4 days late is totally worthless to us. So for example, North Korea conducted a missile test and it exploded and it left a giant mess. And then the North Koreans came the next day and cleaned it up. Well, we had images from Planet every day showing before the test, after the test, and after the cleanup.
Planet data is really important to our application that our customers use to coordinate teams across the surface of the Earth. So imagine an energy company, which is our main industry. They have people that are working across multiple states, and they need to keep track of those people, and they need to check on assets. So using Planet's daily imagery, they're able to see construction updates and whether or not that construction plan is happening at the cadence that it's supposed to be.
The Island Coral Atlas is a global map of the shallow water corals. So we start with satellite data and then we make maps from that satellite data. It's never been done before. We need the data every day. We need to make maps, but we also need to monitor for change, which means comparing today's pictures of coral to yesterday's, and we do it again tomorrow. There's nobody else who could do this. From a mosaicing perspective, from a high frequency revisit perspective, the access to the data, nobody else could do it.
Being able to identify where a fire or a burn is potentially going to go, being able to see that and react faster means that we're able to act, make better decisions.
Because Planet's data is near real time and provides a weekly, monthly, sometimes daily context, we can empower our users to derive fresh information and almost make that data real time to our users. We're enabling workflows that allow people to update their GIS with the most current satellite data.
You, our partners, are there to actually solve these real-world problems and create business solutions. And so I really do invite you to dig in and to really understand what is it that we can do with the Transparent Planet. What type of tools do we need on top of it to allow for not only us to explore together, but the rest of the enterprise as well as society?
What will you discover?